Okay, we walked into the Modera Waugh and just wanted you to see a little bit what the inside looks like. So there's all sorts of windows here. The building's really pretty. These are just kind of some gathering areas that people will, use when they're waiting for rides or waiting to gather and go for rides. So anyway, this is a little bit what it looks like. You can see there's a concierge here, so it's a 24/7 concierge that's there. And this is the first floor. The leasing team, leasing staff is over there. And then we walk over here, and we've got a garage that's over there, and then we've got the mailroom that's over here. So this is a little bit about what the first floor looks like. It's a real pretty building. Again, just very recently built, and it's an exciting building. Hey, the garage is over there, so we're gonna go just peek in that garage real quick, see what your parking would look like. Let's go do that right now. If you have questions at any time, send me a text, just use the number below, and I'll answer your questions about the Modera Waugh or any of the best apartments in Houston.